Hello friends, welcome. So here we are in the categories. Right now we don't have any records, but also we don't have the uh, table. So we have only the pagination here. We don't have a column for ID or for the name and so on. And of course, if we go here in the new category, here we have only the buttons for create or create another and cancel. But we need a form here to create a new category. And for category, we need the name and the slug. So now let's work with the category here, create a form and also create a table. Let's go in the filament PHP documentation. And here for form builder, okay, and here we have text input, getting started, text input, and we have text input, make, and here we have the name, which is name. So let's copy this one and go in the VS Code, inside the app, filament, category resource. Here we have a form, schema, and let's add that text input, make name. We need to import the text input, so import the class. And with that, if I save, let's go in the browser and refresh. So here in the new category, we have the name. Let's make this to be required. If I save and refresh, now we can see we have this red asterisk, which means it's going to be required. And if I say create, yeah. Okay. Next thing we need the slug. And if I come here and I'm going to search for the slug. So in the search, I'm going to say slug. And here we have an example for the slug, text input make. And we have this reactive, and after state updated, we create a closure and set the slug to this str slug state. So we set the slug here to this title. So this is the state of this title, and say str, which is Laravel, and call the static slug method. So let's copy this, and I'm going to add in our text make name and add that one. Now we need to import the closure and also the str, illuminate support str, and I'm going to add also the slug. So let's copy this text make name, and after this required, I'm going to add that one, and I'm going to say also required and change the name to be slug. Let's save it. So here we added the text input make name, and we call the reactive, and after state update set slug. So I'm going to set this one to str slug the state, which state is this one. Okay. Now if we go and refresh, here we have the slug, which is required. And if I type here Laravel, we have Laravel here. If I type Laravel Filament, you can see also the slug is Laravel-filament. Okay. Next thing, I want to have a card here because I don't like that. So if I come here and let's cut this one and say card, filament form components card, make, and call here the schema, and paste that in. Let's save it, refresh, and yeah, now we have this nice card. If I say now Laravel, and here we have Laravel, let's say create, and we created that, and we are now in the edit page. You can see categories to edit. If we navigate here, we don't show the category because we don't have the table. So let's go here again and let's go in the table builder, and here we have columns. So let's go in the text column because we are going to use text column for the name and for the slug. So this is very easy. Just say text column make and give it the name. And also we have this limit if the column is longer than 50 characters. So let's copy this one. And inside the table, I'm going to add this one. Just change the description to be name, or I'm going to first say ID. Okay, and this is not going to be limit, but I'm going to add another one for the name and another one for the slug. So let's say also the slug here. And let's import the text column. And if I save, and let's go in the browser and refresh, you can see now we have the ID, which is true, name Laravel, and slug Laravel. And if I click here, we go to the edit page. Now we can make this sortable. So if you go here, so we can change the label and also make sortable just by adding this one. So let's go in the name and I'm going to make sortable and also the ID. So let's save it. Come here, refresh, and now if I go and create a new category, I'm going to say Vue.js. Let's create and let's go back. Now we have Laravel Vue.js. If I click here, we have the sortable. Okay, now if you like this create and stay and go to the edit page, okay. If you don't like, you can customize that. So if you go in the admin, resources, and creating records, so here we can copy this, customizing from form redirects, and let's go in the category resource, create category, and paste that in. Let's save it. Now if we go and create a new category here, so let's say Tailwind CSS, and I when they create that, now we redirected to the admin categories, so to the index page. Okay, friends, I hope you understand and hope you like the video. If you like a content like this, subscribe to my channel and like the video, and see you in the next video. In the next one, we are going to work with posts and tags, and also when we go and edit here, I'm going to display the posts this category has down there. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much.